Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today, guys, I will be showing you how to find stocks that you can absolutely trade, okay? But like in this case, we're going to be looking at stocks that we can day trade, okay? So if you're interested in that, let's just get straight into it. Overall, like we're going to be filling six filters around that number, so let's just get straight into it. We're going to be using Finviz.com, if you already know. So, and through everything I go, I will be explaining it to you guys, so let's just get straight into it. I did manage to say uh, let's get straight into it like 5 times before even the video started. So yeah, the first thing, of course, I'm always kind of thinking this filter right here is the industry. So I'm only looking for stocks, okay? Only stocks. After that, I'm always about the like what was it? Yeah, it was the average volume. So what does the average volume mean? What does the average volume even mean? It basically tells you the average number of shares traded in a stock like that day, or basically the average number of shares back and forth that day. So, like what will be the number right there? In this case, we're going to be looking for stocks that have average volume of right around over 400k. Okay, this is the stocks. So, like some people may say that, oh yeah, I mean 400k per day, I mean it's a pretty big number. But yeah, like we're looking for stocks that are quite liquid and that can basically that we can see patterns, you feel me, that we can see a beautiful price action which can kind of help us with the trading. After that, we're going to be talking about the relative volume, basically where you can basically see it somewhere you can basically see it as r vol. So what does the r vol or relative volume even mean? So a lot of the people maybe can mistaken it as something like that's so big that and understandable, but it's basically an indicator that tells traders how the current trading volume is compared to the past trading volume over a given period. In this case, basically kind of shows the volatility of the stock in a given period. Okay, in this case, I always kind of look for stocks that have the relative or volume over 1.5. Gives tells me that that day the stock is quite volatile. So like that's what I like to see. After that, I'm always looking for a float. A float, I always go like here. It is always kind of up to you what you want to see. But guys, to be honest, I always go with under 50 million. Okay, with under 50 million, kind of. Oh, I don't know what happened. Wait. So yeah, I did manage to say under 50 million. So yeah, I always go with under 50 million. And right now we have two more things that we are gonna fill out right here, and we are left with only 34 stocks. So after that, I'm going to be talking about the price and also the market cap, like capitalization. The price always up to you, but I'm always looking for stocks that are under 20 bucks. So bam, that is it with that. After that, the market capitalization, I'm always looking for a small stock, small. Okay, what does the small mean? It basically shows you that the capitalization will be somewhere around from 300 million to 2 billion. Bam, like that is it with that. So we are left with only four stocks, which is a pretty good thing. Like right now, go ahead, screenshot this, and you're gonna be like good to go. Bam, screenshot this right now. You can go ahead, kind of see the stocks as you see this right now. You managed to kind of break out after the high. So this could be a great play for the people who did manage to kind of get in right there. So yeah. So let me know what are your thoughts. Again, go ahead, screenshot this, and I will be seeing you guys soon. I will leave you 3 seconds if you did not screenshot this already. So go ahead. Okay, guys, peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your